All right, get ready for your lesson 35 phonics. Here we go. Ready? Say blouse. Sound blouse. B-l-o-u-s. Say round. Sound round. R-ow-n-d. Say proud. Sound proud. P-r-ow-d. Say thirst. Sound thirst. Th-er-st. Say bloom. Sound bloom. B-l-u-m. Say drag. Sound drag. D-r-a-g. Excellent job. All right, here we go. We have our sentence, our phonics sentence. Let's read it. Ready? The boy put oil in the car. So we have two sound spellings today, and the first one is OY, says oi, like boy, and OI says oi, like oil. So we have OI and OY. Ready? OI goes in the beginning of words or in the middle of words. So oi, and OY is at the end of words, and that also says oi. Ed, t, and d. Der, s. Till, oo and u. Full, e. F, oo and Dill, goal. N, pull. Ah, ow. I. Oi. Ah. R. Oi. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and read our words. Ready? Look. Sound. T. Oi. Read. Toy. Look. Sound. Smog. Read. Smog. Look. Sound. Spouse. Read. Spouse. Look. Sound. Join. Read. Join. Look. Sound. Mound. Read. Mound. Look. Sound. Filed. Read. Filed. Look. Sound. Roy. Read. Roy. Look. Sound. Owl. Read. Foul. Look. Sound. Posing. Read. Posing. Look. Sound. Oil. Read. Boil. Look. Sound. Flower. Read. Flower. Look. Sound. Soy. Read. Soy. Look. Sound. Moist. Read. Moist. Look. Sound. Bowls. Read. Bowls. Look. Sound. Oil. Read. Foil. Look. Sound. wound. Sorry. Wound. Read wound. Actually, it can have an oo sound too and say wound. It's a tricky one. Here we go. Ready? Look. Sound. Joy. Read joy. Look. Sound. Mist. Read mist. Look. Sound. Noise. Read noise. Look. Sound. J-A. Read J. Look. Sound. Shouted. Read shouted. Look. Read. Joining. Read joining. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and go out. We have our syllables. Here we go. Let's read our first word. Our first word is hurry. Let's snap it. Ready? Hurry. Hurry has two syllables. The first one is her, and then re, we split it between the two consonants. So it's vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, split it between the two consonants. Our second word is unfair. Snap it, unfair. And in this case, our second syllable is fair. And once again, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, split it between the two consonants. Let's read this word, sunburn. Snap it, sunburn. It is two compound words. The first word is sun. The second word is burn. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Split it between the two consonants. The next word is suppose. Snap it, suppose. Our second syllable is pose. Once again, it has a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and I split it between the two consonants. Our last word is correct. Snap it, correct. And our first syllable is core. Our second one is rect. Here we go. It is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and I split it between the two consonants. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and write our words. Let's practice writing some words. Number 1 is count. K, ow. Remember, O-U says ow. K, ount. Good job. Our next word, number 2, is coin. K, oi. Remember, O-I says oi. Coin. Number 3, luck. L-A-K. A C and a K at the end of a word is a K sound. Good job. And our last one is joy. Number 4 is joy. J-oy. And remember, an O-Y is usually at the end of words, so the O-Y says oi at the end. Excellent job on your high frequency.